Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Jonatanya and I will present about my journal entitled Bayes Estimation of a Two-Parameter Exponential Distribution and its Implementation. The lecture involved in helping and leading in the preparation of this journal are Mr. Adi Kurniawan and Mr. Toha Saifuddin. Some subchapters that will be discussed are introduction, methods, result and discussion, and the last conclusion. Implementation is an important issue in the world of business and human resource management. Implementation is a gradual reduction in the number of workers in a company that occur for several reasons, such as retirement, illness, death, termination of employment, resign. This is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs in point 8, decent work and economic growth. Survival analysis is a statistical analysis that is useful for analyzing data related to the time and event occur from the beginning until the occurrence of a certain event. Data obtained from live test observation can be complete data or sensor data. In survival analysis, there are three types of data censorship, namely sensor type 1, type 2, and type 3. Type T censorship, the research period that been determined and the research object enter the research at the same times. Apart from the concept of data censoring, in carry out survival analysis observation, the distribution function is also used. One distribution function that is often used and has an important role in survival analysis is the exponential distribution. Exponential distribution has the role of measuring the level of failure that may occur in an opportunity. Based on the parameter, the exponential distribution is divided into two, namely the one parameter exponential distribution and the two parameter distribution exponential distribution. After knowing the distribution of the data that will be used, the next step is to estimate the parameter. Parameter estimation is the process of predicting or estimating the characteristic of a population from a sample taken. The classical approach and the Bayesian approach are the two approaches used in estimation theory to estimate population parameter given data distribution. The Bayesian approach has several methods, one of which is linear loss function. Linear loss function is minimize the average expected value of the linear loss function to calculate parameter estimate. Non-informative prior distribution is a prior distribution that not yet have information about their parameter, thus providing neutral estimate, one of which is the Jeffrey prior. And the next, chapter 2 methods. The first linear function. Linear function is used in statistical analysis for estimate and forecasting problems that show exponential growth on one set of 0 and almost linear on the other set of 0. The formula of the linear function for parameter theta is divided as follows. The value for the posterior expectation for parameter theta are as follows. The Bayes estimation formula for parameter theta is as follows. And the next, prior Jeffrey. Then a non-informative prior approach is important when not having sufficient knowledge or keeping the analysis result free from bias. One on which is the Jeffrey prior. The prior distribution shall be proportional to the square root of the Fisher information. Fisher parameter theta for information value is defined as follows. Chapter 3, Result and Discussion. Analysis of bias estimation. The probability density function of the two-parameter exponential distribution is as follows. The result of the integration of the probability density function show a value of 1. So the probability density function formula is proof. Cumulative distribution function, survival function, and likelihood function of the two-parameter exponential distribution is as follows. And the first parameter estimation with assumption of both variable parameter. The formula for the likelihood function has been obtained, then the natural logarithm of the likelihood function will be calculated is as follows. The general formula for Fisher information is as follows. First and second derivatives is as follows. Fisher information and prior distribution is as follows. So, prior distribution get a value is 1 of 1. The result of the integral over the parameter mu is infinity, so that if the integral over theta is multiplied by infinity, it will still produce an infinite value. This result in the partial distribution equation being 0. So parameter estimation using the Linux loss function method using assumption of both variable parameter cannot be applied. And the second parameter estimation with assumption parameter theta is constant and parameter mu is variable. First and second derivative is value 0. The calculation result so that the Fisher information value is 0. So the parameter estimation cannot be applied, assuming the parameter theta is constant and the parameter mu is variable. And the third parameter estimation with assumption parameter theta is variable and parameter mu is constant. First and second derivative is as follows. Fisher information, prior distribution, and posterior distribution is as follows. And the next, minimizing the posterior expectation value of the loss function. The next step is to minimize the equation A theta loss theta hat theta by feeding its first derivative with respect to theta hat, and then equation is it to 0. Next, the value of that A theta is calculated, which is the posterior expected value is as follows. The parameter estimator theta from the two-parameter exponential distribution using the Bayesian Linux method is as follows. And the next, implementation of bias estimation analysis. The data to be used is secondary data in the form of data on the length of time employees work before they experience a transition in 2021. The data was obtained from the Kaggle.com website in total IBM HR Analytics, Employee Attraction, and Performance. In this study, a sample of 50 employees were taken with a censorship limit based on age, namely 58 years. After determining the censorship limit out of 50 employees, 48 people could be observed. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. P-value is 0.43377. So the data follow a two-parameter exponential distribution. Estimated value of parameter theta. Theta hat is same TI1 is same min TI. So it can be concluded that the estimate value of the parameter theta is 1. Determination the value of A. This is done by taking the value of A that is closest to the average value of all the calculated result of theta hat. The value of A has condition that A not equal to 0. The average of all theta hat value is 0.13. So the value of theta hat is close to the average value. Theta hat using value is 0.25. The result of the parameter estimation theta with a value in the applied length of work data in 2021 are 0.19. The average length of serving of employee is 6.30 years. This so that employees tend to experience attrition after working for a relatively long period of time. However, it also depends on the result that cause attrition is itself, such as retirement, illness, death, termination of employment, reassignment, or other reason. Opportunity for length of employee work. The chance that an employee will work for more than 40 years before the average attrition is 0.73%. And the next chapter 4 is conclusion. Conclusion, the form of estimation, the two-parameter exponential distribution parameter using the Bayesian linear function method on type 1 sensor data based on Jeffrey Prior with the assumption that the parameter theta is variable and parameter mu is constant is as follows. The estimation result we apply to secondary data, namely data regarding the length of the time employees worker before they experience attrition in 2021, and research results so that estimate value of the parameter theta is 0.19 with an average value of 6.30 years and an estimate probability value that an employee can work for more than 40 years before the attrition is 0.73%. Based on the result, it can be concluded that employees tend to experience attrition after working for a relative long period of time. The longer an employee works at a company, the less likely they are to stay at the company. That is all for me. I want to apologize if there is mistake, and thank you.